is tearing me apart. It's gonna cut it down for you. I'm gonna go get a pumpkin for us, huh?
When?
Later.